Here.
Chiquitita, tell me what's wrong. You're unchained by your own sorrow. In your eyes, there's no hope for tomorrow. Oh, I hate to see you like this. There is no way you can deny it. I can see that you're so sad, so quiet. Chiquitita, tell me the truth. On my shoulder you can cry on. Your best friend, I'm the one you must rely on. You were always sure of yourself. Now I see you broken a feather. I hope we can patch it up together. Chiquitita, you and I know how the hardest come and they go when the scars they're leaving. You'll be dancing once again, then the pain will end. You'll have no time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry. The stars into the sky and shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. So the walls came tumbling down, and your love's like blown out candle. All is gone and it seems too hard to handle. Chiquitita, tell me the truth.
It's nice to get some videos for the feeling of it, you know.
There is no way you can deny it.
I'll stitch them together, put it on YouTube. It'll be good.
I can see the rose so sad,
I'm as steady as a rock. Come on now.
Chiquitita, you and I
That Brian Adams